Are Toyota Highlander wheel spacers safe to use? 30 Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are exactly safe as long as we install them correctly. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Toyota Highlander wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Toyota Highlander wheel spacer will be safer. Generally, half-century Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Toyota Highlander wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Toyota Highlander wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best Toyota Highlander wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS half-century Toyota Highlander wheel spacers you consider safer and more reliable. The half-century maneuvering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the transfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota Highlander wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage half-century Toyota Highlander wheel spacers will effectively reduce chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make free cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the BONOSS active cooling Toyota Highlander wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.